Hi everyone! In this tutorial series I'm going to be walking you through how to use Unity for development. So that means making games and other kind of cross-platform applications. So first of all, I'm going to be assuming that you already have some development experience so that you're familiar with C# and programming in general. Another thing is that this entire series is going to be for people with prior experience. So if you have no experience with programming at all, I really recommend that you make yourself comfortable with C# before doing this tutorial series, as I'm going to be programming a lot and not necessarily explaining everything I'm doing. Alright, so since that's out of the way, the first thing you have to do is just go to unity3d.com and press Get Unity. Once you're on this page, just press Try Personal and check this box, make sure you fill the criteria, and download the installer. Once you've downloaded the installer, just follow through all the pages and just install everything you're interested in. The main thing that you need to make sure that you're installing is Visual Studio Community 2017, because that's what I'm going to be using. Okay, so when that's done, just open up Unity and we're going to start our first project. So click this new button. Give your project an appropriate name. So for example, hello world. Check 2D. I'm going to be using 2D generally. If I'm not using 2D in a video, I'll explicitly state that so you won't get confused. So when you've set all of these, just press create project, let it load. And then once we're in, we're just going to verify that you're all set up and ready to go. Yeah, so now that we're in here, this might look very overwhelming. There's a lot of buttons, a lot of things to do, a lot of panels. Don't worry, I'm going to be going through that and explaining all the interface elements here later, so that you know what you're doing. But for now, we're just going to make sure that your Unity installation works as expected. So first things first, in this assets folder here, right click and press create and then new C# script. Name it whatever you want and just press enter. And then right click in this scene hierarchy here, create empty and just create a new game object. Press Ctrl S to save your scene and just name it whatever you want. Like this. Now we have scene 0 and we have a test script here. And then the next thing you will do is you take the script, click and drag onto the game object. So it's attached to this game object here. And then you press this cog and edit script. So one more thing, if you did press this cog and edit script and nothing happened or Visual Studio 2017 did not open, you're gonna have to do some troubleshooting. The first thing you should do is go to Unity again, press edit, and then go to preferences, go to external tools and make sure that the external script editor that is selected is Visual Studio 2017. If it isn't, go to the Visual Studio website and download Visual Studio 2017 and browse and set it. Okay, so yeah, press this cog, press edit script, and then in the start method here, just write debug.log log hello world. Save it, minimize. You're gonna see this little thing spinning. That means that Unity is compiling your code for you. Save the scene by pressing Ctrl S and then press this play button. Once this button turns blue, that means that your scene is playing. Once that's done, press the console view here and make sure that it says hello world. If you follow all these steps now and you have hello world here, it means you're set to go and you can go to the next video. Thank you.